What is up, guys? It's Quest Mr. Zero back here with another video, and today I'm going to do a Plane Crazy showcase. And there's my sister. So basically this is a little tram on a track, but the track can unfold and it reaches up to about there on the map. And I think that's pretty neat. So what you do is slide your gravity to 0, and then you unfold, and then you use all of the buttons for the tracks to unfold. Sometimes that can happen, and that's very annoying. Nobody likes that. Okay, I'm going to fix it. So hopefully, and this is fixed. Okay. So I guess I fixed this. So basically, yeah, this might work. Alright, now let's get back to the showcase. So basically, you just set your gravity to 0, blah blah blah, just like I said before. And hopefully they should be fixed. Now this is just weird. The heck? Okay. Alright, so this works. Now we just let it unfold. Alright, now you have to set your gravity back to 180. And, well, this little tram has extra wheels here for grip, for inclines and weird turns, I guess. So basically, you can make a little rail system without actually using the rails. By the way, this is based off of the little pod things from The Incredibles, which I think are pretty neat. So the track stops here, and the track stops there. I'm sorry if the part where I fixed this part of the track was boring, but at least I fixed it, and I think you enjoyed this video. So, if you want more content like this, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and maybe even turn on notifications. Also, I promise I'm going to be uploading much more, and hopefully on my birthday I can do a face reveal. So GG, and see you in the next video. Bye!